Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a person to Expensify. So this is very useful if you are managing a team, want to add employees or need to initiate an account or accountant. This is the way to go. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and I'll guide you step by step. First, you need to open an Expensify app or simply log in using your browser. Once you have logged in into your account in Expensify, click on your profile picture and head to the setting. If you don't want to do that, you can simply create a workspace right here, and you have to create a workspace and you have to add which currency workspace you want to create. Now there, after you have created your workspace, simply go to the workspace, and here as you can see members, you can invite members through here. You can add a person to your workspace through here, simply invite members, or you can copy link and send it to the person as well. The person will receive an email to join an Expensify group or workspace and will be added once they accept it, and that's how you can add someone to Expensify. Super quick and easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below with what feature you would like me to cover next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.